Thank you. Good afternoon. So my research project deals with targeting connexin hemi channels in glioblastoma. So first of all, what connexin hemi channels are? They are undocked channels, which can be found, for example, at the plasma membrane, and they allow the exchange of ions and small molecules between the cytoplasm and the extracellular medium. Since they are involved in intercellular communication, they are thought to play a role in the invasiveness of glioblastoma tumor. In fact, here I can show the expression level of different connexin isoforms in glioblastoma tumor biopsies. In particular, I want to highlight the expression of connexin 26, 30, and 32, since they are the target of the monoclonal antibody ABEC 1.1, which was developed by my group. And as you can see from the molecular dynamic simulation, it targets an extracellular epitope of connexins with a 2-to-1 binding stoichiometry. So what we did was we wanted to understand which is the effect of ABEC on connexin hemi channel expressed in glioblastoma. And to do so, we made mainly functional assays, which are based on the well-known fact that by lowering the extracellular calcium concentration, we can increase the open probability of connexin hemi channels. So one of the first assays that we performed was calcium uptake assay. In practice, we we engineered these glioblastoma cells from patients with a calcium sensor, and we could observe that the uptake of calcium is lower on cells which are treated with ABEC. At the same time, we performed DAPI uptake assay. DAPI is a small dye that becomes fluorescent upon entering the cell and targeting nuclei. And also in this case, there is an effect of ABEC. The last things that we tested are the release of glutamate and ATP, because they are pro-tumorigenic molecules and they are thought to play a role in the invasiveness of glioblastoma. And in particular, glutamate was probed by iGlu sensor, which targets, as you can see from this pattern, the membranes of cells, and ATP was probed by a bioluminescence assay. And in both cases, we could observe an inhibitory effect of the monoclonal antibody that we wanted to test. So overall, these results suggest that ABEC could help us limit the invasiveness of glioblastoma, and thus it is maybe a promising tool in targeting glioblastoma. Thank you.
Thank you very much.